Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be taking a look at a book for streamers. I believe it's a collection of tips and tricks for live streamers or something like that. I haven't read it yet. I haven't even bought it yet. We're going to do all of that together, and we're basically going to have our first look at this book meant for live streamers. Now, it's obviously not the first book on live streaming, but books on becoming a successful streamer are actually super rare because live streaming is something pretty new and people just take tips from marketing in general and just apply it. So there's no, if you're doing research with the keyword streamers, you will not find a lot of resources. So books like that are great, I think. We're gonna take a look. We're gonna judge that by once we buy it. So the book is written by someone that I've been following on Twitter for a while now, and as you can see here, this is part of his description. So Travis Shreffler is Shreffler. I never noticed the R. So Travis Shreffler is someone who actually gives out a bunch of tips and tricks on live streaming, which is why I followed him in the first place. If you're looking for down to earth and very honest opinions on whatever's going on in the live streaming world, I definitely suggest you following Travis. He's one of the rare people that I actually suggest following. No toxicity and weird stuff, people just pandering to hate. This guy is the real deal. All right, so the book is called Start Streaming. On this tweet, he says, "My book is out now. Start streaming. 100 definitely real tips for becoming a successful Twitch streamer. Go buy it here," and that's Amazon. I've never bought a book from Amazon before. I kind of feel bad. I can buy it on Amazon.fr because I'm in France. So do I need a Kindle? Do I need a Kindle to? So obviously, I'm going to read the whole book for you guys. I'm kidding. I'm not going to read the whole book, but I'm going to give you little excerpts that I kind of like. Okay, let's read the forward. Before we jump into the list of 100 definitely real tips to becoming a successful Twitch streamer, I want to provide the one real piece of advice I have. Don't be a streamer. Big brain stuff. The hours are long, the pay is crap, and the internet is really mean. Some truth bombs right there. It can be just as demeaning as a retail job, but way more emotionally crushing. True. If you insist on not hitting this advice, then here are 100 tips that you can follow that will help you lead you to success. Actually, I'm just gonna scroll and we're gonna read random tips. We should do like 10 tips because I don't want to give you all the spoilers. I want you guys to buy that book. Okay, so tip number 1, be 13 years old at minimum, or at least look it. That is solid. If you're 13 and you look like you're 5, you're probably gonna get banned. Buy an Elgato green screen because all other shades of green are inferior. Buy 2 if it's too small. Did you know Amazon doesn't allow affiliate links to be included in ebooks? Anyway, here's a totally unrelated tweet. Yo, Elgato, my boy Travis is totally promoting your stuff in his book. All right. In your Discord server, make sure you add everyone only when it's important, like when you go live or wish people a good morning. Okay, on tip 33, when you see a female streamer tweet a selfie, there are only 2 acceptable courses of action. 1, if you're a woman, reply with "Yas, queen," or "Oh my God, step on me already." 1. He put 1 and then 1 again. If you're a dude, keep scrolling. If you're a dude, you're not. I can't. Okay. If you're a dude, shut up, basically. Tip 77. Variety streamer is an excellent way of saying you haven't found a game that brings in big numbers that you can tolerate. So far, only truth. Only the truth. Tip 88. Every 2 years or so, it's acceptable to have a complete breakdown over the fact that your mods have stopped showing up on your stream. Showing up to your stream, even though you gave them 0 incentive to do so. At this point, you'll want to completely forget all the hard work these friends did for you for nothing other than a green sword next to their name and the intoxicating euphoria that accompanies banning people from chats. Wow. Damn. Tip 91 is, even when you do have viewers, sometime you will periodically run into a dead chat. Nobody is talking. You need to stoke the conversation. One good way of doing this is to complain about the fact that nobody is talking. They'll be so uncomfortable that they'll be forced to say, sorry, I was lurking, or something similar. Jesus. I second that. Call out everybody. Why is no one talking about this book? This is great. Best €2.99 I've ever spent. I could have bought half a kebab. You think they would sell me half a kebab? Tip 45 is keep track of how much time you spend on constantly tweaking your overlays. This right there is actually like, that's a real tip. I want people to actually do that. I got a couple people in my Discord, you know who you are, who spend months tweaking overlays before they start streaming. It's time to start. It's time to start streaming. Okay, 64 is if a Twitch partner comes into your channel, you are well within your rights to demand they remove the purple check mark next to their name in chat, as that is a form of self-advertising. I've never how do you even think of is that a thing? Like, is that a thing? Is that like, did the communicate, like, did you hear someone, Travis, I need answers. Did you ever hear someone actually complain about that? I wouldn't put it past the community. I wouldn't put it past it. Anyways, tip 98 is you must dye your hair a ridiculous color at some point, or you are not a real streamer. Hey, Pence Off Gaming, shout out to you. That's true. I need to do that, by the way. I need to bleach my ends again and then add some blue or something like that. Okay, obviously this book is some sort of parody of tips for streamers, it's great. I love it. Honestly, I didn't know beforehand if it was gonna be completely comedy or not, but apparently it's just filled with gems, and I love this so much. This is so good. I definitely recommend it. There will be a link in the description. Can you have affiliate link for books though? That's the real question. Can I make an affiliate link for your book so I can get some money by selling your book, Travis? This video is like way too personal. Okay, let's do a thing. If you bought the book previously, or if you bought it because you saw this video, I want you to go in the comments and like give me a review, an honest review of the book. And speaking of books, I know you guys are gonna suggest it. So yes, I know Ashley Christ has a in-depth book on how to become a Twitch partner. Would you guys like for me to review this book? Like, let me know. I'll buy it and I'll actually tell you if it's worth buying or not. Knowing Ashley Christ, it's probably worth buying it, okay? Like, I have no doubt in my mind that you need to buy this book. Let me know in the comment section below. Would you like to see me review Ashley Christ's book? There will be a link to her book too in the description. Also, another question, should I write a book on streaming? I don't know if I can. That's really not mine. Anyways, social media will be up there. If you guys are looking for some dope overlays, I'm dropping a bunch of free ones and a bunch of cheap ones. That's over at gumroad.com/gallevel. If you guys are not using Streamlabs OBS yet, consider downloading it from my affiliate link in the description. Also, if you want to know what I use, like the gear, the lighting, the mic, this nano, well, that's not gonna be included because I made that myself, but everything is gonna be on Amazon links in the description. I think you get the point by now. Also, join my Discord if you're looking for help. If you have any questions about streaming, we are a community of hundreds of streamers. We can help you. Just join the Discord and ask your questions. But that being said, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching this goofy video. Thank you, Travis, for allowing me, because I reached out to him and be like, yo, is it cool if I put your book in a video? And I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. Gallevel out.